Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open your TikTok application. Once you have opened your TikTok, you can click on this plus button to start creating a new post or new video on TikTok. And if you want to use green screen, you can go to the effect section right here and then go to the green screen category. Okay, and you can choose a green screen effect that you like. I'm going to try this one for example. Okay, I'm going to try this one as well. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go with this one, and we'll be able to use the green screen effect to create new video or take a photo. It's up to you. For instance, I'm just going to take a photo like this. I guess then that's all the way to use green screen effect on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.